Hi, I'm Roger. Welcome back to my channel. In the video today, I'm going to be looking at how to test an Ethernet cable using a LAN tester. So please stick around until the end. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I have here an Ethernet cable. This is about 3 feet. And I also have a LAN tester, and this tester is from the company Next. Though for the LAN tester, there are two components. There is the main, which is this part here, and there is the remote, and they can be both attached or detached. It doesn't make a difference when you're testing the cable. Okay, all right, so how do you do a test? So you're going to take one end of the cable, network cable, you're gonna insert it into that port there, which is RJ45, and the other end goes into the remote like that. All right, now on the main for the tester, there are a couple buttons here. So over on the right hand side we have the power, master power, on and off. So I'm going to switch that on, and over on the left hand side there is the test button. Now if it is in the up position, it should be off, and if it is down, then it should be in the on position. Alright, so I'm going to switch this on to simulate a test. So notice that it is cycling through the different pins, and notice too that there is continuity. So it doesn't skip any of the pins. Let's just look on the remote to see what is happening here also. So the same thing, just cycling through each of the pins. This is a little bit weak. Suspect my battery is a bit weak. I've had this for many years. I don't think I've actually even changed the battery. Alright, so this cable is good based on the indication given here by the tester. Alright, of course, if the cable was defective, there would be no continuity. It would actually skip, for instance, one of the pins, indicating that, at least there's defect on the cable. So that is how you actually go about testing your network cable using a LAN tester. Alright, of course, please remember to share, like, and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so. Remember also to hit that notification bell so that when I upload a new video you will be automatically notified. Until next time, take care.